Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few simple tips on how by improving your website, you can improve your online presence, outrank your competition, and of course, get more clients. So let's start with your website over here. I have it pulled out. And the first thing, and probably the only thing that I can suggest here on the home page is to add more content. And not just to the homepage, to all the subpages that you have here, but the homepage is key because this is where most of the content has to you need to have. And by content, I mean especially words. So you need to have rich, relevant content, including the keywords that you're going to be found for. Um, if you copy and paste from other places, Google is going to notice, and you're not going to be ranking on the Google search. So that being said, let's take a look on the back end of your website. And here we can see that you're being found for only 74 keywords that's being pulled out from your website. Um, that's bringing you 29 visits a month to your website, which is not a lot. And you have over 2,000 backlinks. Now, I want to be explaining you what backlinks are. How is that affect your rating on here in the domain rating, the URL rating, and these two will help you to rank on the to be found on the Google searches on the organic results. So backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and that will give you power so you can these numbers the rating can increase. But not all links are created equal. So you can have thousands or hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and if they're not targeting the keywords that you're going to be found for, this is going to be irrelevant. So I went Google and I type a personal injury lawyer, New Jersey, and the first section that you're going to see is this sponsor, which you pay Google to be found to be here. Then we have the traditional Google Ads, and this is where Google will launch a campaign and you'll pay every time that somebody clicks here. And now this is a hit or miss because if it's not done properly, it's not guaranteed that when somebody clicks in here, it's going to be turned into a potential new client and you're going to be wasting money. Then we have the map section. So this is where you want to be as well because if you're targeting the whole state of New Jersey, it doesn't matter where your physical location is located. But if your profile is optimized, if it has everything that you need to be found here, for example, content, keywords, images, and especially reviews, if you interact with the reviews, that will help you a lot to be ranking this top three. And then we have the organic results, number one, number two, number three, number four, and just as a quick reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search don't even pass this top three on the map section or this top three on the organic results. Not even go all the way down to the end of the page. Not even go to the second or third page. So you could be missing a lot of potential clients if you're not listening this at least in this first page. So something to really think about. I went on, and just for the purpose of the video, I'm comparing their website because they're ranking number one. And we'll see the difference between their website and yours really quick. So um, we go on the home page of them, and they seem to be having not too much of a lot of content in here, but it seems to be pretty relevant because they're ranking number one. So compared to yours, they seem to have a little more of content. So that's helping them to rank at number one. They have a lot of attorneys, of course, they have more pages, practice areas, same thing. Locations, they have more locations, absolutely, but that all that content is helping them to rank number one. Just that's just one of the key features that is helping them. If we go and look on the back end of the website, we can see that they're being found for over 4,000 keywords. It's bringing them 1,800 visits month to their website, which is quite a lot. And they have over 92,000 backlinks. And like I was telling you, it's not about how many backlinks you have, it's the quality of the backlink. So um, this is helping them to increase the rating over here, and that's why they're being ranking number one. So something to take into consideration, because if you wanna start getting more customers, uh, this will definitely be the first thing to think about, and then the organic results. And this will be only to be here in these top three at least. This is something you want to target. This is a reference, right? So finally, I'll give you some reference over here for this specific keyword, personal injury lawyer, New Jersey. There's an average of 500 searches a month. It's the difficulty is medium, so it's gonna take you a little bit of time to start ranking for this keyword. But if you will be running Google Ads, this is what I was telling you. Each click will cost you $70, and like I said, it's not guaranteed there's gonna be a potential client. This is just a reference on the average of the search volume, which is again 500 is a lot, and you can take advantage of those 500 searches. Um, Here we have a little more of information. This is a variant of the keyword, 250 searches for that one. Personal injury lawyer, Newark, New Jersey, 150. So all these can come into place if you want to start targeting specific areas, or the specific keywords will definitely help you if you have the correct marketing campaign in place. So to wrap these things up, and if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, we'll be more than happy to assist you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out as well. Um, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Thank you.